In this video, I will show you how to open calendar in Airbnb. So when you are on Airbnb.com, you want to first go ahead and switch to hosting. Come here at the top right and click on switch to hosting. It'll refresh your page and you will be on this URL, airbnb.com/hosting. All you need to do now is come here at the top menu and just click on calendar. And this will basically open up your calendar and you can come here, click on view, and you can view it monthly or you can do the whole year. Okay. As you can see, now you can view it month by month for the whole year right here. If you want to toggle that back on, you can go to month and do that as well. And there's a lot of other settings you can do. These are the shortcuts, right? And you can go ahead and change this to blocked or open night for each day. It's really that easy and simple.